Innovation, precision, efficiency. Meet the INOXPA Bioreactors designed to transform your processes and maximize your productivity. The INOXPA Bioreactor is crafted for precision at every step. With advanced automation and intuitive controls, it ensures flawless performance in the most demanding environments. Built with scalability in mind, it adapts seamlessly from research to industrial production. INOXPA bioreactors support a wide range of industries, making them the ultimate tool for precision manufacturing. The process begins with loading raw materials into the bioreactor. Advanced sensors and controls maintain ideal conditions for temperature, agitation, and oxygen levels throughout the process. INOXPA bioreactors aren't just machines, they're partners in your success.